Hello, Leslie here with this week's new releases. They will be in the shop on Friday, October 29th. I can't believe we're at the end of October. It's finally here. Halloween is so close. So I'm starting off this week's new releases with this cute little bookmark. It's got a quote on there. It says, "There's always something to be thankful for." I like how it's all different kinds of fonts, and then the little banner, and then the accent of the shadowing on the thankful. Then there's little dots in the for. And then I have red leaves, green leaves, and then kind of like a coppery orange leaf down here. And then you can order this on a tab. I'll grab one. So you can order on a Recollections, Happy Planner, Plum Paper Planner, or Erin Condren tab, or you can order it tabless, which is nice if you're wanting to like write on it with those like wipe away markers, or use it for washi samples on the go, that kind of thing. So lots of uses for the laminated bookmarks. All right, and then next up, I am going to touch on a little bit of fall and a little bit of Christmas. We're going to dip our toe in a little bit of Christmas. So we'll start off with that one now. So here you go. So this one's an oversized bow. Now I'm saying oversized. I'll compare it to one of our regular size bows in a second. The reason I did that is because there's script on here and I wanted you to be able to read some of it. So this one actually says Merry Christmas. It says Happy Holidays. And there's even like some snowflakes you guys can see there and there. And then there's like a little windy swirl, which is kind of cute. You guys can see that a little bit more on this side. So there's like little winter like swirls of snow. So that's kind of fun as well. So it's oversized because it's about an inch bigger than our regular size bows. So I'm going to show you guys that so you can see it stacked on top of the other one. I kind of am bringing it over to the edge. If I centered it the same, that's about how much bigger it is. But it'll look really cool on a barrette because it's a little bit bigger. It looks really awesome on a TN clip as well because it's oversized. So that is our first Christmas clip. Yay! All right, jumping into fall. We're going to be doing flower duo sets. So I hope you guys like these. So it's a little kind of like a, I don't know what you guys can see, but there's a like floral print on this flower and then like a yellow rhinestone in the middle. And then it's on an orange paper clip. And then this one's an orange flower with the same color rhinestone in the middle, also on an orange paper clip. So in the duos, you'll have the same clip color for both. And then I did make special dots for the back to cover up any glue and paper clip that you guys can see. I thought that would be fun. So that's set number one. I did make two sets. So I have another set. I have this one. It's cream and yellow. So I have the cream right here, same color rhinestone in the center, and then the yellow right here. And I put this one on a gold paper clip to kind of accent the rhinestone in the middle. So that'll be the other duo set, which is kind of fun. We haven't done a flower duo set in a while. But the duo sets of the palms was so much fun. I just thought, oh, let's do it with the flowers. Now, there was one flower I couldn't do a duo set for because it was kind of unique on its own. So this one, it's a similar orange to this, but it's a little bit smaller than that one. And then it's got a layer of like a glitter flower right here. And then it has that gold rhinestone in the middle. So I'm going to show you guys the size difference here on the flower, which is why I put out this one for sure on a mini clip. But you can still put on a regular if you want to. But there's your size difference, in case you're wondering. Because I know you can't touch it, so I have to do all the showing for you. Okay, we're going to put this one way down here so you know it's by itself. It's so low, so low. All right, and then I got in this idea of doing kind of a baking theme of new releases. So I did make some that weren't baking themed. But it started off with me wanting to do the baking budget clip set. So here you go. Here's my baking budget clip set. It's kind of like kitchen-y, not necessarily just baking. So you have a little oven mitt here. And look what's on here. Okay, there's a fork. There's some kind of like herb, there's a cheese grater, and there's some spaghetti over here. There's like a little edge of a banana and a spoon. So fun. And then this one is the pot. And it's got a blender mixer, and it's got bananas and some tomatoes and strawberries and like a radish. What else is on here? An oven, a timer, all sorts of things. And then we've got this one. This one is the heart. And mine has strawberries, like a pie, like a coffee pitcher, a whisk, a bottle of something, some more spaghetti noodles, and a KitchenAid kind of mixer and an oven mitt. So I thought those would be fun. I picked yellow because there really seems to be yellow on all of the clips. I also think there's a lot of blue and then a lot of red. So if you're thinking of like what clip colors you would want. And then I did mine on mini. But the little loop on the oven mitt, just like, I love it. And the little like fun fan of that. I really like this set. So I'm excited to do some fall and Christmas baking. I don't know about you guys, or you know, picking it up, that's fine too, and just putting it in your own container. All right, so going along with the baking theme, I did decide to make a bag of flour. So it's drawn on there because I was like, well, if I do layers, it'll be hard to see it. So I thought this one would be cool to do like just a script of like the bag of flour. I was just like opening on the counter, like ready to just make some bread. I don't know. So I put this one on a mini black paper clip to kind of accent that font and outline. And then I thought, well, flour, I'm going to need sugar. So I decided to do a little jar container of sugar. So a little bit different font, a little bit different. It's like bordered with a little box label. And then it's got a little like handle on the top. It almost looks like a cookie jar, but I like it. So there's that one. So I have flour and sugar. So then all I need next is my rolling pin to get started on things, right? To make some pie. I don't know. So I made a little rolling pin. I just thought he was so cute. So I got dark brown for the little handles, and then I have rose gold for the roller part. We do have one that looks kind of like this. We have a wooden rolling pin. I don't know about you guys. When I was growing up, I remember my mom had one that was like Tupperware. I think you put water inside of it. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking of the wrong thing, but I'm pretty sure that's what she did. So there's a rolling pin. And then maybe I'm not making pie. Maybe I am baking some fall Christmas cookies or bread, some fall bread. I'm going to need my KitchenAid mixer. So I love this one. I love the detail on this one. So I went with white for the bowl just because this part I wanted silver and silver, but mine is actually silver. I have the silver bowl, but I thought maybe this one would look like the clear glass one. So I kind of like that part of it too. So I went with red on this one, and then I went with a white paper clip. And I just thought that one was really fun too to have in the kitchen. I love our KitchenAid mixer. We did not have one for a long, long time. And my mother-in-law got it for us for Christmas a few years ago. And we love it. I love it. I've baked those cakes and stuff that I've told you guys about, and cookies. So now to the freebie. What could the freebie possibly be with all this Christmas and baking and fall? Well, I decided to do a floral chicken. So I was thinking like floral kitchen wallpaper, and then like chickens. I don't know. My mother-in-law really liked chickens, and I really liked her chickens. She even had two favorite chickens, General and Cashew, were her favorite chickens that she had. And we used to always feed them our pumpkins and stuff. So yeah, so I knew that she would love it. And so I made it because her birthday is actually coming up soon too. So I don't know. I just thought she would like it. But there you go. So we have a floral chicken as our freebie paperclip. And you can choose regular or mini on this paperclip. Not picky there. I usually base it off of whatever you're ordering, or if you put it in note to seller. So that is all of this week's new releases. I hope you guys enjoy, and we will have more videos up this week, hopefully live. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.